In the quiet of the morning, shadows meet the dew. Voices whisper softly, tales of old and true. Pathways veiled in mystery, guided by the moon. Eyes shining in the starlight, hearts in ancient rune. Mountains stand eternal, winds that softly weave stories of the ages that the leaves believe. Footsteps on forgotten trails, echoes in the pines. Every breath a memory, whispering divine. Spiritual whispers calling through the breeze. Songs of time immortal rustling through the trees. A dance of light and shadow waltz beneath the sky. In the heart of nature where the spirits lie.